Professor Omar Yaghi, winner of the 2017 Albert Einstein World Award of Sciences.
One day I found that my reaction, the chemical reaction I was running, produced a brown powder. And overnight, very beautiful crystals appeared at the bottom of the reaction vessel.
The prize is awarded for his groundbreaking scientific work in introducing metal oxide clusters to stitch organic and inorganic units into robust crystalline open frameworks with permanent porosity.
Here you have the organic building unit and the other of a metal ion. And we mix them together and stir to make the metal organic framework, or the MOF. And once you remove the liquid, this is what you get. And this is the material that is the MOF. So if I zoom in on a granule of this solid, the structure does not look very much unlike this. The metal ion and the organic are linked together to make the framework that is the MOF, and it encompasses space. The liquid will bind to the framework, to the interior of the pores. 1/3 of the world population live in arid regions where water is scarce. But that air in those regions contains about 30% humidity. These materials can take up the water from that atmosphere, concentrate it, and deliver liquid water using nothing but sunlight and the MOF.
Professor Yaghi has in fact developed a whole new field, reticular chemistry, which is concerned largely with the synthesis and properties of metal organic frameworks. As Chemistry World puts it, metal organic frameworks, better known as MOFs, are coming of age. Their numbers have been mushrooming at an unprecedented rate since U.S. chemist Omar Yaghi uncovered their potential nearly 2 decades ago. Today, the structures of over 6,000 new MOFs are published each year.
Omar Yaghi, and I'm a professor of chemistry at University of California, Berkeley, and a senior scientist at the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. I was born and raised in Jordan. From a young age, I would say around 10 years old, I became interested in these molecular drawings that I saw in a library. And I thought they were quite captivating. Later, I learned that they represent the world behind materials and the world that we see.
From 2000 to 2010, Omar Yaghi was listed among 2 most highly cited chemists worldwide. He has won national and international awards, including the 2004 Saccani Medal, Italian Chemical Society and Organic Chemistry Division, 2007 Materials Research Society Medal, 2009 American Chemical Society Award in the Chemistry of Materials, 2010 Royal Society of Chemistry Centenary Prize, 2015 King Faisal International Prize in Science, 2017 Royal Society of Chemistry Spears Award, and 2017 King Abdullah II Order of Distinction of First Class, among many others. The World Cultural Council acknowledges Omar's leadership in research and mentoring, emerging scholars in multiple countries around the world, along with a commitment to developing innovative solutions to problems that threaten world sustainability. He is also keen to foster science in other countries and has founded several research centers in Vietnam, Korea, Japan, Jordan, and Saudi Arabia, providing opportunities for young local researchers.
Learning how to be a good scientist doesn't just come to us in our DNA. I think this is something that we receive in mentoring and that interaction with our professor. Be comfortable with failure. Right? You go in the lab and you fail, and you fail miserably every day. You get up every morning, you go into the lab and you fail, and you fail. And then there is a success. And we tell our students, well, those are increments of success towards the big success. But they are, research is a very tough thing, and it requires a very special mind to be able to stand the failure, because there might be a success down the road.
Professor Yaghi's discoveries over the last 25 years have given rise to an explosive growth in materials chemistry with major impact worldwide, in a fascinating field that is only just beginning to see its potential in action. Not only is this a precious service to mankind, but it also inspires future generations.